Hello guys, this is COSSA. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm not alone. I'm with my brother all the way from Uganda. Not Uganda. 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 No, just you have to feel it. Uganda. Like, Uganda. No, pump your chest. Like, yeah. Uganda. 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 What? Where are you going? I'm going home to Uganda. But the YouTube, come on. Cloning. Yes, today we're gonna learn how to clone ourselves. That's more like splitting yourself into two. So to do that, you're gonna need very sharp knife. Not really, you're gonna need Premiere Pro. Make sure you have a cam on tripod, solid, no movement. Right now, we're gonna move to the left hand side. You film yourself more like having conversation in mind, more like a dialogue with yourself. Make sure you actually having enough room for the right man side. So another important thing, you have to make sure while you are shooting a video, you don't actually have to use your hand gestures so much in a way like you should be having your imaginary symmetry line here that you don't actually have to cross, because once you do that, it will give you a hard time in editing. So try by all means to avoid that. So right now I'm gonna move to the right hand side. So right now I'm just gonna change your avatar to look different. So you're gonna still have that dialogue in mind. You can actually make sure you write it down so you don't actually mess up everything. So after that, we're gonna jump to Premiere Pro with those two clips. So right now, Premiere Pro, you're gonna have two videos, the one at the top, the one underneath. So you have to make sure you lower down the opacity just to make sure you can see the video, the one below. So you're gonna go to your pen tool, you're gonna draft a very rough sketch, just more like a frame on the upper video, and this will actually make a split automatically. You can actually see all the videos in between. So sometimes you'll see this thin line in between. Make sure you actually play up with you adjust your feathers to make sure that line doesn't appear, because it can actually make everything seem weird. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comment section if you really like this video, and don't forget to actually like the video and actually hit that notification button for always to get notification every time I'm posting. I love you. I'll see you next Friday. This is it. Oh wait, do you like this t-shirt by Fascinator John Bravo? I will make sure I have the link on my description for you to get yourself one. This is it.